What up, guys? This is Pastor Canav again. We're coming up with another video, another tutorial. So we're going to be talking about Boolean variables. All right, but please, like I said before, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. We're growing slowly but steady. Okay. All right, this is a JavaScript one, and let's talk about booleans. So a boolean value represents true or false. All right, it could be on or off, could be yes and no or no. Usually for false, sometimes we say zero. Okay, and usually we use booleans to compare results in your programs and stuff. But let's just see an example. Let's do let. So let's do save equals true, and then we just do a show message, and then we do the variable name save, and semicolon, and then we save that, refresh our page, and that's true. We do the type of, save that, and that will tell us that it's a boolean type. Okay, sometimes we want the true to be false, and how do we do this? It's pretty simple. We can say save equals exclamation point. We say save, enter semicolon, and let's get rid of the type of, save it, and then it should give us a false. Right? Cool beans. Now let's just see another example right here. Let's do one more example. Let's save our page, and we okay, let's do one more example. Okay, all right, let's just do let, and we are going to say is weekend today equals true. Let's pass that. Is weekend today. Save that. It should give us a true uh, boolean variable right here. Okay, all right, so now we just do another variable, need to shower. Since the weekend, right, you have to go shower, but this person doesn't need it. So how do we do that? Like we did at the beginning. So exclamation point, we just, it's weekend, and then we do the need to shower, save that, refresh it, it's false. We do a type of, it should give us did I save that? I didn't save it. Should give us a boolean. Cool. All right, guys, that was pretty much. So this is just a basic about boolean variables, like how to use them. You can make it a lot more complex in how to use this, because you need to use operators too, like just to compare. But this was just a basic one, short one, easy one. So hopefully that kind of help you, and we'll see you in the next video. Have a good night. Bye.